Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Humanity Protocol or H on Binance Alpha. As you know, Humanity just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search H. You can a little bit scroll down here and you will find H, this one on BSC Alpha. You can click it. And this is the chart, guys. As you can see, this is not good, but if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and then you will see 24-hour high, low, and the volume. You also can see the audit here, square, and yeah. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose instant buy or limit order here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.